Hey friends, welcome back to AppIQ here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to style up your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone for free. I'm talking about getting free themes, free wallpapers, free AODs, videos, etc. All of that good stuff. So if you'd like to see that, go ahead and stick around and watch the entire video so that you can learn how to do that. So how do you do it? Simply do a swipe up on your phone and go to settings, right? And then you want to go down to themes, right? So you click on themes and this will take you into Galaxy themes. All right, so once you're inside the Galaxy theme, guys, in order to find all of these free stuff, because as you look right here, you can see quite a lot of different things that you have to pay for. And if you go to the images as well, you can see the icons as well. So I'm going to show you where you can find the free ones so that you can use these to style up your phone, so you don't have to pay for this. So how do you do it? You want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of each of these each of these tabs, right? So for the themes, the wallpapers, the icons, the AODs, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will find the free ones. So you can simply go here and you can click on the free one. So this is the themes one. You can click on themes if you so desire. So if you like something, you can click on that and you will be able to see it, and you can simply go ahead and you can download that. So you can click on download, and once it is download, you can simply apply it to your phone. And once you apply this to your phone, you will be able to use it. And here you can see that I have it on my phone and I applied it and it looks amazing, right? So this is how you can apply free themes to your phone. And let me go back here and show you. So as I mentioned before, you can get the wallpapers as well. So if you go to wallpapers, you can go all the way down to the bottom. And here you can see wallpapers. So you can go through here and you can find wallpapers that you want to use. You can click on that wallpaper, you can download and you can use it, right? So you can do the same as I mentioned for icons. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll find free ones. AODs, you will do the same. You scroll down to the bottom and you'll find free ones, right? And of course, guys, if you go to the menus, right, you can see your stuff. So you can basically see the ones that you download. So on the themes, wallpapers, icons, AODs, whatever you will download, you'll be able to find them under your free stuff. And of course, from there, you can simply tap on default as well and apply default if you want to go back to default settings. Or if you want to download all of that good stuff, you can easily find them under your My Stuffs as I showed you there. But that's how easy it is, guys. This is how you can easily go ahead and style your phone and set up your phone really nice for free on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. I really hope that your phone is useful. I really hope that you'll go ahead and style your phone and give your phone a fresh look, and that you'll be happy afterwards. So if you find it useful, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I come out with more videos just like this one. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you next time.